Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website for pet care and pet and animal care business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using platform called Wix. It helps it helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So let's enter this site, create a new site. Now search for your business or website type. Wait a few seconds. So now enter your business name, and here if you want to enter your business address, so let's next. Here if you want to add in some services, here if you want to add email, so let's continue this. So now if you want to design the site, click here, design site. Here if you want how will you like to design your site, if you want to customize a design template, or if you want to let Wix create a site for you. So let's choose this, pick a template. Here choose any template you want, website template you love. So for example, let's choose this. Now wait a few seconds. So here as you see, here if you want to add some details about your site, for example, pet care, now create site text, creating text for your site. So wait a few seconds. If you want to move the section down, or if you want to move it up, you can move it from here. And if you want to do a quick edit, you can change the section background. For example, you can change it. And if you want to set non background, so if you want to add a color, click here, select any color you want, for example this or this. So if you want to image the media here, if you want to change the title, so for example let's choose this. Here if you want to change the title, also you can change this paragraph. You can change this button. So let's move on to the next section. The services section. Here you can edit, quick edit if you want. You can change the section background. So for example, if you want to make it like this, so let's close and let's move on to the next. Here also the title and all these titles here if you want to change them. The layout also if you want to change the layout. So let's move on. The next section, this is the text form section of the website. Here if you want to do a quick edit, you can change the strip, click settings. Here if you want to add image, also if you want to change the background, this paragraph or the title or any paragraph here if you want to change it. Also here if you want to add text file title, you can add email file title. You can add text file title, And here if you want to add a long answer file title, submit button, the paragraph. So let's close this. So here if you want to add elements on your website, click here and select any element you want. For example, image. If you want to add image, if you want to add a button, here you can choose any button you want, and the size and the shape of the button. The strip, if you want to add the strip, if you want to if you want to add the decorative things here, the box, the gallery, if you want to add a gallery. So here if you want to add contact forms, the menu, and the blog, the store, the bookings, the events, and the communities. Here my designs. So that's it. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want here. For example, if you want to add testimonial section, choose any testimonial here you want. For example, this. So if you want to manage your page and menu section, you can manage them here. If you want to the site menu here, if you want to manage the site menu here, if you want to add a page. So that's it. And here if you want to manage the site design, you can manage it here. You can add apps here. Here if you want to manage your business, here. And also here if you want to manage media section, here you can add the Facebook link or the Instagram, Google Drive. So that's it. CMS here if you want to add it to site. If you want to find the settings section, find it here. Here if you want to edit your settings. So after you design your website and complete the editing of your website, all you have to do is click publish here and wait a few seconds, and your website is gonna be published. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.